Here's how to open hidden apps in iOS 18. Now, if you upgraded your iPhone to iOS 18, a really cool feature is that you can hide apps. I'll show you how to find them and how to open them. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you'll do is head into your settings here, tap on General, and then Software Update. Make sure it says you have iOS 18. This is only a feature that is available in iOS 18 or later. After you've done that, we can hide any apps just by tapping and holding on them. Hit Require Face ID and hide and require Face ID. Now we can hit Hide App. Now keep in mind, you can only hide apps that are third-party apps. You cannot hide any default apps that Apple made that they put on your iPhone. Now to be able to find that and open it, we're just going to take our finger and swipe to the left until we get to the app library. Once we get to the app library, we can swipe all the way down, and you see at the very bottom right is hidden. To be able to open those, first you need to tap on it. It will use your Face ID to reveal which apps are in that hidden folder. And then you're going to have to tap on the app again, and again it will use your Face ID to be able to open that specific app. Now, keep in mind, if you exit out of there, you'll have to go through that entire process again. But you can always choose to unhide it if you want to just by tapping on it and tapping and holding on Instagram and hitting Don't Require Face ID. Just like that, you'll basically put the app back to normal if you don't necessarily want to go through the entire process of unlocking it every single time you want to open that app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.